Welcome to the HostVenom YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering how to upgrade your HostVenom VPS service. We will start by signing into the HostVenom client portal at billing.hostvenom.com. Once you are logged in, select your service from the list of active products and services on the home page. On the services page, you'll notice there are two upgrade/downgrade options in the action menu on the left-hand side of the page. The first option just states upgrade/downgrade. This is to change the plan you are on. The second option is upgrade/downgrade options. This is to change the customizable resource limits within your plan. This is generally memory and disk space. In this tutorial, we are going to upgrade from the basic to the standard plan. So we are going to select upgrade/downgrade. We'll select the desired billing cycle and then select choose product and continue through the order process. Once your order is complete, you will receive an email confirmation as well as the following instructions to restart your VPS to access the additional resources. Return to the client area and select the service you just upgraded from the list of active products and services. You'll see a power status box, and we will power off the VPS and wait approximately 1 minute. After the minute has passed, we will power on the VPS, and when you log into your VPS, you will now see the new resources. If you upgraded hard drive space, you will need to manually resize your partitions, and that is not covered in this video. The process does not impact the data on your server, and after pressing the power on button, it may take your VPS a few minutes to fully boot. That's it. You're all set. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please reach out to the team. We're here to help.